was a fisherman. My brother Andrew took me to meet Jesus. Jesus looked at me and said, "You shall be called Cephas," who's a rock. Maybe he saw in me the faith and steadfastness I yearned for, so long to grow. I was so headstrong, and my impulsive spirit led me to do many things that I am sorry for. But it also allowed for some extraordinary experiences, like the time when my faith allowed me to walk on water. And in another instance, when Jesus asked, "Who do men say that I am?" My voice was strong and sure. "You are Christ, Son of the living God." Jesus answered, "And you are Peter. Upon this rock